So hi guys, as promised earlier, that we will come regular live classes for the regular live classes on this channel to discuss all the topics of civil engineering. So today my topic of interest is crossover, which is from the subject your railway engineering, part of railway engineering. Okay, so we'll derive one formula. So let's know what is crossover. Basically up you have seen that somewhere these are called the main tracks and few tracks divert from it. Okay, so this is means, wait a minute, I got something wrong, so clear it all. There is let's take the pen again. Okay, so in the crossover, basically, let me define what is crossover. Okay, crossover provides to divert the trains from one track to another track with straight and curved intermediate portion to turn the units in between the two units. Okay, two turnouts you can say. Like there are two topics that we have to discuss in this crossover. Like crossover with one with the straight intermediate portion. You will understand later on what it is. With straight intermediate portion. Okay, like let me see, let me check it whether it is working properly or not. So guys, wait a minute, I'm just checking whether it is working properly. So yeah, it is live and I can see that everything is working fine. So let's continue. So there are two topics to be discussed under the crossover heading, that is crossover with straight intermediate portion and another is with curved intermediate portion. Today, our topic of interest will be first one, that is with a straight intermediate portion. Today, I don't have much time, so I'll finish it off quickly. Okay, so let's discuss. Suppose there are two tracks, main tracks passing on. Okay, and there is a track, you say like turnout. Okay, there are tracks diverting from one track and merging it to the another. So let's. Okay, this is a track. The diagram may be not be proper, so let's bear it with. Okay, first let me draw, then I'll discuss. Okay. So you know that this is the gauge distance of the main track. I think you have studied it. And this is the center line of the main track. These are the center line of the main track. These are the center line of the main track. So given in the means that the symbol will be given in the question, that is the distance in the center line of the two main tracks. Okay, d. So basically this distance will be d minus g by 2 minus g by 2, that will be d minus g. Okay, so what is the purpose of this question? Okay, let me write the diagram. Like I need to erase something. Let's erase this. So let's try it again. So guys, diagram may not be proper. My diagram, you should draw a proper diagram. You can see the figure from the books or whichever standard book you are following. Let's erase it. So this is, you already know that this is called the curve lead, that is CL, curve lead. Okay, and whose formula you might have studied 2GN, right? And it is also a CL, that is 2GN. And I've drawn it improperly. This portion is a straight portion, not a curved one. Uh, Means this portion. Okay, this portion is a straight portion. And another topic we will discuss that the in between portion is a curved portion. Okay, so our objective on this topic is to find the total crossover length. Okay, this is the total crossover length. Total crossover length. But we have already found it that there will be, this is CL and this is also CL. We can say that is also 2G and 2G. Requirement is to find this distance. Okay, our requirement is to find this distance. This will be alpha and crossing number is n. Crossing number that will be given will be n. Okay, so uh, what will be the concept that will be followed here to derive the formula is, first let me draw one more thing. We need to find first this distance, and with the help if this angle is alpha, this angle is also alpha, and using this value, we can denote it by, let's suppose say it is A, it is C, it is D, it is E. If we are able to find the distance CD, then we can easily find the distance DE, which is our objective. Okay, first of all let's find out what is the length of CD. Okay, so CD will be basically your, you can say that D minus G minus AC. Okay, now our requirement left is find out the value of AC. Okay, let's draw a perpendicular from A. This will be the perpendicular, you can see. And now this is a straight line, this is alpha, and this is, you can say, right angle to this line. So that will be 91 is alpha. That will be alpha. So we can, and this is the gauge distance G. So now in this triangle, this will be the triangle, this will be alpha ACG. So we can easily say that sec alpha is hypotenuse upon base, that is AC upon G. So we can say AC is equals to G sec alpha. Okay. Also, since it is we know that crossing number is n, so for you can say like that travel 1 unit vertically, we need to travel n units horizontally. So that will be, okay. So here sec alpha, and it will be 1 plus n square. So sec alpha is equals to under root n square plus 1 upon n. That will be the value. So we can say AC is equals to G under root n square plus 1 upon n. Now we can find out CD. CD is equals to D minus G minus G under root n square plus 1 upon n. Okay. Now after that we can see that we have found CD. Just need the value of D. We can easily use the trigonometric formulas and find out what is the value of D. So you can easily guess that D value will be, what will be? Please tell me. Write in the comment section. Sure. It will be like what you can say, CD cot alpha. CD cot alpha. So D is equal to CD. I found D minus G under root n square plus 1 upon n cot alpha. What is the value of cot alpha? You can easily find out cot alpha is equals to uh, base upon perpendicular, that will be n. T minus g under root n square plus 1 upon n to n dn minus gn minus g under root n square plus 1. I think you have easily understood. Hmm. 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 It will be also gn. Okay. This is the value of d. What will be your total crossover length? Let me clear it. So is all in. So the total crossover length will be length is equals to 2gn plus t minus gn plus minus g under root 1 plus n square, and that would be plus 2gn. So the final formula which comes out is 4gn plus d minus gn minus g under root n 1 plus n square. So this is the formula for total crossover length. I don't think that you need to remember this formula, but continuous practice you can easily memorize this formula and it will be very useful for solving the objective questions. Okay, and you have whichever study material you have, you can solve the questions using that. That was just the topic of our discussion today. So guys, like this will every day discuss all the concepts of civil engineering topic by topic, and will not repeat the topics because it will unnecessarily waste the time of the students, and students get confused what to study, what not to study. Focus on the syllabus, on the topic. Okay. I think now you can easily derive this formula. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and you can connect me with on the Telegram and all the social media we have. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Now I'm closing the stream. Will tomorrow again come live on this channel, and I will inform you on the Telegram channel. I will inform you on the Telegram channel what will be the timing, and share the topic of interest for discussion. So that's all. Thanks everyone.